Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my new project, which is it's like a communication system, modular communication system. So here you can see the modular parts there. It's like you can see the drum and a silo option and also pipe and kind of like a rusty communication antenna and a platform. Okay, and also the buildings there, and this is the very gigantic antenna there. Okay, so yeah, and you have a the command center kind of like a house, but this one is also you can use it like a abandoned house. Okay, kind of like a rusty. You see the dirt and you see the dust here and there. Okay, so and also you can see the complete here you can see the complete rustness is covered. Okay, and also you can see the roof part is like this. Okay, it's like a very old abandoned or kind of like a very old building setup, and you have the machines and also some sort of lights are going on, so it's like a antenna is there. Yeah, this one is actually I keep in mind that this could be very good asset for the RTS kind of game, because this is a very low poly thing, but you can use it in a other platform like FPS and the third person, because of the texture quality is quite good. I mean quite matchable. Okay, so you can see the buildings, this area. Okay, so I think it will be very good for RTS kind of platform, kind of like a RTS building. Okay, that sort of things. Okay, so this is the part from the first part from the substance actually. So you can see as always, if you follow my page or my YouTube channel, there will be a three part, like this is the first part, and this is the, you can see here the all the modular assets texture set are here. Okay, so yeah, you can I'll be back with the Unity, the second part, and also finally is the Unreal Engine, which will be the third part. So okay, thank you. I think you are enjoying, and keep watching the second part, and the full is the third part, which is the Unreal Engine. Okay, thank you very much. Hello everyone. This is the second part of the modular communication system building. So as you can see, the project is fully Unity compatible. So you are seeing it from the Unity HDRP. You can see the high definition render pipeline. So as you can see, the just like the substance, the Unity version is working properly, and you have the option like this is the actual FPX there, and this is the here is the texture set. As you can see here, the texture set is 4K, 4K, and also you have you have the materials, correspondent materials there. Okay, you can see, you can have the this materials. So this is the the modular parts. I mean if I go for the maximize view, you can see this is the drum, this is the silo part, and this is the pipe part. It's a kind of like a joint, and also the rusty rudder set, and also the kind of like a platform here, and also the antenna. Okay, the structure is there, so you can go up as high as you need. And you can see this is from the eye level view. So it's like I have two options. Like you can set your antenna like 90-degree angles, and also the 45-degree angles like this. And you can see here the texture set and all the things are working quite nice. And I use post processing for this one to look the final to get the final output there. So this is from the from after the post processing complete. Okay, as you can see, the roughness and all the things are quite okay. I think in the top view, if you go there, it's quite okay and quite detailed asset for the games like RTS games and all the things. Okay, it's like a radar station for you could use it like any kind of RTS, kind of like a building. Okay, communication building, or the RTS environment, city environment. So here is kind of like abandoned kind of a radar or a communication set. So yeah, with this modular set, you can manipulate, you can go as high up, and you can arrange your buildings. So every asset is there. Whatever you're gonna do, you can, no problem. You can arrange according to your needs actually. And one more thing, I gonna show you that this is quite low poly. If you go to the shader wireframe, you can see here the condition of the wireframe. Okay, the condition of the wireframe is so minimum actually, and quite good optimized actually. So if you can use it in an RTS environment, yeah, you are feel free to do that. If you're gonna use it in some sort of your project, you are feel free to do that. It's like I give it like a kind of like a abandoned option. And you see, these are all the modular parts. Even the house, this octagonal house, and also this big house is with one actually material is covering this. So where is the material? Interesting fact is like this is the material responsible for this house. Okay, the only material is responsible for this house. Okay, so, and also the octagonal house, this is the material responsible for this octagonal house. Okay, so I think you are enjoying this part. And yeah, I am also enjoying to to making to make this, and to present this one in front of you. And if you have any question, if you have any if you need this asset, you don't hesitate, you go to my asset store. Everyone knows my asset store. And please follow my channel, follow my YouTube page, and you can DM me, no problem. I will be there, and I will be happy to know that you are using my asset. So yeah, this is the Unity part. So Unity HDRP. I'm finishing this part, and later I will the third part will be the Unreal Engine. Okay, Unreal Engine 5. Okay. So yeah, this is totally game ready, and you can see this is from the Unity. Thank you very much. Wait for the third part. Third part is coming shortly. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. This is the third part of the modular communication building setup or building project. As you can see, this is from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So just like the Unity, you have the texture. All the texture are here, and these are 4K texture. And also this is the materials. The correspondent materials are there. Okay, and this is I just set up a scene. Just this is an empty plane, and just this scene actually, and also a little bit of post-processing here. As you can see here, the post-processing volume. And if I extend this part, I mean F11, press F11 to extend this one, and you can see here this is looking quite nice. Actually, it's from the I put some mannequin for the size comparison. As you can see, the antenna size, and also the gigantic the rudder system, and also the see the details of the house. It's like rusty. You can see the reflection in the window. So it's like all are very the low poly. You see the poly in the Unity part. So as you can see, now you can see the size of this project, and this is the modular parts. If you don't like this two variation, you can make it on your own. You can develop your own variation. So no problem. Yeah. So this one again, I keep in mind this one is like a RTS building, but yeah, you can use it as if you want. This is the first person view. As you can see, this is the first person view. Yeah, and this is the RTS view. Okay. So you can actually first person or third person, but I prefer to use it as a RTS because this is a low poly asset. Only the house is covering only one materials and all that. So yeah, it just but you can say the concept is pretty clear, and the materials and all the textures, and the emissive lighting, they are working quite okay. So if you just see it from the top down view, this is quite okay, I think. Yeah, yeah. And my intention is to make kind of like a RTS asset, full RTS asset. So this is one of the beginning, you can say. So yeah, this is the end part from the Unreal also. And yeah, these are some of the the human and floor parts. I just use it. So okay, guys, I'm in the last part of this project. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you need this one, don't hesitate to DM me, or don't hesitate to go to my asset store. Okay, So yeah, again, these dialogue I give every in every video that if I know that if you are using my asset, I'll be happy. I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay. Thank you very much. I will come again with the new one, with another one. So keep in touch with me, and please follow my YouTube and the Facebook channel. It's Opu Art. You see, it's Opu Art. So thank you very much.